In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your wire transfer status in the Bank of America app or website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, plus a few helpful tips so you can interpret what you see with confidence. Start by signing in using the official Bank of America mobile app or the bank's secure website in your browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're on a trusted network. If you use extra security like two-step verification, have your device nearby so you can complete sign-in quickly. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to the right place. From the home screen, open the Pay and Transfer section. On the app, this is usually in the main menu or along the bottom navigation bar. On the website, look for it in the top navigation. Pay and Transfer is the hub for moving money, and it's also where you can view the status of recent activity. Inside Pay and Transfer, go to the Activity tab. This is where your recent payments and transfers are listed, including wires. The Activity view is designed to give you a clear snapshot of what has been sent, scheduled, or completed. If you don't see your wire right away, give the page a moment to load and make sure you're viewing the most recent transactions. Now, review your wire transfer status. Look for entries labeled wire transfer or similar wording. You'll typically see a status such as scheduled, pending, or processing, completed, or sometimes cancelled or returned. Scheduled means it's set to go out at a specific time. Pending or processing indicates the bank is working on it. Completed means the wire has been sent and credited to the recipient's bank. If you see cancelled or returned, there may have been an issue with the details or the receiving institution. Keep timing in mind. Domestic wires are usually credited the same business day, especially if they're sent before the bank's cutoff time. International wires can take 1 to 2 business days to reach the recipient, and factors like time zones, weekends, and local holidays can affect that timing. If it's been only a short while since you sent the wire, it may simply need more time to process. As you review, you may also see a confirmation or reference number. Save that for your records. If the page supports it, refreshing the activity view can help ensure you're seeing the latest update. That's it. Log in, go to Pay and Transfer, open Activity, and review the status. With these steps, you'll always know where your wire stands.